So what's up people? How you doing? How is it going? I do really hope that everything is perfect on your side. I do really hope that you are chilling and vibing and you're not really having a lot of problems and you're just having some situations that are easy to solve and you are ready to solve. You are full of energy. But my name is Alex and I might be able to solve some of your problems, and this is one of the main reasons why I'm just recording this type of videos, because today I'm gonna be earning a nice amount of money, the problem solver amount of money, which is $33. So do not forget to leave a like on this video, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as join my Telegram private group, because right there I'm giving you all the detailed information regarding all the indicators, regarding the market, regarding the currencies, regarding everything, regarding the platform where I'm making the bets and everything. Yes, so what am I doing right now? Oh yeah, first of all, I'm gonna be changing the chart type to candles, everything. Like I'm starting everything from the scratch for you to be able to see everything. So the hashtag is gonna be there. No, wait. Yeah, we just lagged. I'm sorry. The oscillator. Yes, let's make it periods. Moving average is gonna be EMA. This one is gonna be green. D period is gonna be red. I'm saving. No, just make it 12. Okay. We're having a decline, by the way, right now. So we just exiting the overbought zone, and everything is kind of going great. So I'm not willing to break anything right there. And we by the way, we had a rebound from the resistance level at point of 0.66067. So yeah, so and there we go. Nice, $63, guys. Okay. Ooh, boom boom. Okay, the histogram tells me to go short. Stochastic 63 right here. Stochastic shows me that we're kind of might be in the overbought zone, in a local overbought zone. I would love to say that. I would love to mention that. Yeah, let's just wait a little. Perfect. $118.80. Okay, let's move to euro and British pounds. But ooh, everything is very much comfortable for me. Going for sure, guys. Like, look. What I'm having. The oscillator starts signalizing about decline in the overbought area. So easier than this, nothing can be there. Nothing. Oh my god, look at the size of the candle though. Nice. Look at the size of the candle, guys. Alright, the candles. Oh my god, what the hell is going on with the market though? Let me 217, I'm gonna be having it. Oh, boom. Right now I'm just waiting for the candle to go higher, just to make a bet at the rebound. Yeah, oh my god. There you go. Here you go. Nice. I truly believe that opening spot is really nice. That it's gonna work. Let me see. Just a no comments. Perfect. I mean, the histograms were giving me the not the vibe, but were giving me the signal about like going short. What the hell? Like, my hands are shaky. Are they? I don't know. Like, I might be a little bit nervous, but not that much to be having shaky hands. 4 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Nice. Yeah, my plan worked. I'm glad. Okay, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why, guys. So right now, what I'm having, that strong bullish candle confirms the upward movement, and at the same time confirms it because stochastic is signaling about bullish trend right now. Yeah, it's just signaling about going for long, going high, buying it, everything about great. Nice. $759. Okay. Ooh. Changing it to 659. So guys, right now what we are having, that the dominant bearish trend just continues, and both of the wait. If you take a look like that, it just, yeah, now I can say for sure. Both of the oscillators, they are confirming the short option. Yeah. I mean, right now I can't be totally sure about that. So that's why I'm just selling there, going for short. And guys, in the meantime, during the bet, I would like to inform you that sometimes during the videos, some of you, I might not be really able to understand all the phrases, all the details that I'm explaining or I'm giving or I'm saying. I do really get it, and this is the main reason why I'm having the Telegram private group, where I'm giving all the explanation regarding that indicators, regarding the market, regarding the $1,365, regarding everything. And this is the main place where I'm inviting you, where I want you to come and join, because I'm not asking for anything. You're just joining and you will able to see. I mean, that's the real thing. I'm not asking for it's just a button. Just the link for the channel is gonna be in the description. You're just clicking on that, or clicking or tapping on what device you're using the YouTube right now to watch this video. Does not really matter. And just joining it for free, and you're receiving a lot of great information, a lot of useful information for trading. So do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you for watching.